All right, here we go. We got 450 Bushmaster. These are Remington AccuTips, and use these to drop a doe. Again, the hunt it's sitting there. It's about 15 minutes after sunset, and took a shot on a doe. She wouldn't line up. You're not going to be able to see it because with the camera, with the sun setting into the shot, everything's dark behind with the cedars and stuff, so you're not going to see it. She would not give me a shot lined up where I could take right behind the shoulder, so I end up shooting in the shoulder, which y'all are fixing to see why not to use these on a shoulder shot, the damage that they make on the entry wound. So y'all stay tuned, and yes, it's gonna be a little graphic and a little gory, so if that's not your thing, move along, chicken wing.
Yep, here we go. 450 Bushmaster squared up on the shoulder, good sized doe. About 15 minutes after sunset. Doing the deal.
That right there is the exit. That is not a entry wound of the Remington AccuTips 450 Bushmaster. This is why you want to avoid shooting in the shoulder. That is the entry. Right here, hit that shoulder. She wouldn't give me she wouldn't line up, because normally on these I try to hit right here behind it. Again, when they're stepping forward, they're looking down and they're doing that little step forward, you hit right here behind it and you blow up everything. But yeah, that's why you do not want to use Remington AccuTips on the shoulder on anything. Right there, that is nothing but carnage. But there you go. Yay. Time to piss.